So MK5 R32 just replaced fuel pump, and we have an issue with the new fuel pump having this particular fault code. So resistant too high, which is shouldn't be there. And as you can see, even with the floater, you know, it's showing that. So yeah, I can clear codes, whatever. Obviously, steering assist, all that good stuff's going to be up because I just connected the battery. All right, let's close this up. And so here's the old fuel pump, and part number is right there. Ends with an AR, and then here we go with the new one. It's hard to see the part number. Maybe a shadow can help out. Yep, see, AR. New one it just gave me, and it's already faulty, so we'll need a replacement.